Okay, I'm at Hagerstown Community College and there's a mob scene here. A lot of folks have turned out. Took me about a half an hour to get in here. You can see the parking lots are all jammed. I had to park illegally. I hope they don't tow me. And the media is here from all over, trying to twist things around.
The acorn doesn't fall from the tree.
It's supposed to be expanded.
It's like they're starting to let them into the hall. It opened at 12:30, and these folks are all going in. There are a lot of folks here, I'm sure, are not going to be able to get in because from what I understand, it only holds 400 people, and there's probably several thousand here, so there'll be a lot of people aren't going to be able to make it. We're trying to get a real quick poll here. How many of y'all are supporting the Obama plan? Thumbs up for supporters? There's one. Oh, they're down. Anyone supporting? Put a thumb up.
Supporting what?
Thumb up. The health care plan that Obama is pushing forward.
Absolutely.
I take that. No.
No. Okay. Who are you supporting the Obama plan or no? No. No. Okay, that's a no. Looks like a lot of people in the back part of the line here are saying no. See, moving along. Are you all supporters of the health plan, the Obama plan, or no? Support? No. Anybody supporters? Thumbs up. Support. Anybody supporting the Obama plan? No. Looks like we're starting to run out of supporters. The supporters were in the front part of the line, I think. Anybody supporting the Obama plan, give me a thumbs up. Anybody that's supporting it? We're not getting very many thumbs up.
No, it's down. All down.
Okay. Anybody at all supporting the Obama plan? Anybody supporting it? Give me a thumbs up if you're supporting it.
So can you tell me why you're filming people here, asking them if they support the Obama?
Can I get a consensus? How many of you all are supporting the health plan that Barack Obama is putting forward? No? No? If you're supporting it, just speak up, please. Anybody supporting? Anybody at all supporting the Obama plan? Anybody at all? Anybody supporting the plan?
No.
I'm not getting very many supporters here. Okay. Excuse me, can I get a comment from anyone as to why you're out here? Anyone at all?
I'm out here to learn.
To learn?
To kind of educate myself on the healthcare issue, and hopefully other people out here to do the same, not to create disruptions and maybe have a good discourse.
So you're not sure which way, whether you're supporting his plan or not, you're just trying to learn more about it?
Yeah, I support healthcare as an idea, but I'd like to see kind of I guess all the wrinkles ironed out.
Okay. Anyone else want to comment at all on while you're here, whether or not you support it or don't support it, or?
Sure. I think reform is needed in some respects, but I don't think it needs to be a government reform. I think we need to find ways of fixing our problems. I mean, as a taxpayer, I'm paying their salary, I'm paying their health care. I pay 75% of their premiums. Well, if they want a national health care, let them lower their premiums, let them start the health care plan that they'd like to start, and use the money that we save to insure those that aren't insured. And let's see how it goes for 5 years. And if it works, then we can start rolling it out maybe on a by-state type of basis, like states go. How is Utah's plan going? Utah has an exchange program. What's their insurance like? What's their health care plans like? Our health care...
So explore more options and go a little slower than what they're trying to do now. Is that
much
kind
slower.
of the, okay.
You know, why do we have to do something in 5 weeks?
Okay. All right, well, let's see.
Yeah, they need to manage the cost. They need to ensure our privacy. And I'm scared to death of rationing. I don't know, without cutting the cost, when the government runs it, they're going to end up rationing. And about the time they start rationing is when I get old.
Gotcha.
I'm scared of that.
All right,
I'm scared for my dad. He's already elderly.
Let's see what happens.
It means that it's a continuation of the kinds of things that's being done to our Americans in this country today.
Man, obviously disappointed that he didn't get in, as are many, many others that were in line that just aren't going to be able to get into the meeting. These folks are not happy. These are the folks that did not get into the meeting, and they are not happy campers. Okay, I'm here with Blaine Young. Blaine's on WFMD Monday through Friday from 3 to 5 p.m. AM 930. What's going on here today?
Well, we're hoping to get in the town hall meeting. I got folks in there that are recording it. I'm going to play it back on my program. If we get back and we get it loaded in quick enough, I'll play excerpts starting at 4 o'clock. And then I'll play it to the entirety, at least starting tomorrow. I stood in line like everybody else. I was hoping to get in. My 8-year-old wanted to come up, my father-in-law. So I sent some people up from the station to come record, and unfortunately we didn't make the cut.
Well, it looks like thousands of people didn't make the cut.
Yeah, I'd say there's a substantial amount of people.
A lot of people have left.
Yeah, well,
yeah.
It's a shame they didn't move to a bigger venue.
Yeah. Well,
there's a bigger venue on campus.
Thanks for everything you're doing, Blaine.
Thank you.
Blaine Young.
Are you
You're still here at the event, and you all didn't get in, right? Didn't get in. Disappointed?
Oh yeah, I definitely wanted to hear what they were. Waited out in the sun, and unfortunately it was too full.
Now, how many do you think got in? About 400 and something, right?
I would say.
That's what they said. And how many didn't get in, do you think? Would you guess?
Oh gosh, they're all here, all over the college. They're all up and down Dual Highway.
I think a lot of people have left. That when they came down the line and said they weren't going to get in, I saw a lot of people leaving.
Maybe 200 people.
Yeah, I'd say.
There's also a tea party going on behind this college that people went to, and there's a couple groups meeting in the surrounding areas.
Gotcha. All right, well, we will see what happens. How the old media does it, they bring in all this equipment and all this setup and all this overhead, and that's why they're slowly becoming dinosaurs. Excuse me, now that you all are hearing Mr. Carden, have you changed your minds?
No.
No. Has it really done anything to change your mind? Okay. And Fox News is getting ready to do one of their reports, and you see all these folks with their signs in the background.
I trace a very patriotic crowd. These are people that didn't make it inside at Hagerstown Community College, where Senator Ben is holding his second town hall meeting of the week. The first one was very contentious. This is a more conservative part of the state. It's going to be lively in there today as well. Now, people started lining up early this morning. Some of them stood in line for several hours, but it was a very respectful, orderly crowd for the most part. We didn't see any chanting or any demonstrations earlier. Arguments in the crowd between supporters and opponents of health care reform. We have a sampling of that for you. Here's what a couple of people had to say from both sides, Tracy. Okay, and as you can see, opinions are strong on both sides here now. Inside the health care reform, Senator Ben Cardin has just started taking some questions. He started with an opening statement. There are handwritten questions that people got a chance to write down on cards. And
down with the cool way!
After that, there are going to be staff members going around in the crowd and asking questions, so that should be unscripted. Senator Ben Cardin did meet with our reporters a few minutes before the town hall started, and he said he didn't expect there to be disruptions, but he felt it's the important way to get information out.
Socialism, no more 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 socialism.
So what do you all think? You all have been listening? You all been listening? What do you think so far? Impressed or?
No.
Not impressed?
He should be looking for another job in a couple of years.
Oh, okay.
I think we all need to have a clean slate. Everyone.
Get them out of there, huh?
I totally agree. Democrat or Republican, clean slate.
Okay, if you want to get involved in your community, go to your community website, Frederick.com for Frederick County, WashingtonCounty.com for Washington County. Get involved.